Hello and welcome back to Home Inspiration. This time, I would like to invite you to explore kitchen designs, ranging from elegant, functional, to natural styles. I have prepared 10 kitchen design inspirations for you to check out. Let's begin with the first design. This kitchen adopts a modern minimalist concept that prioritizes functionality. The cream color on the walls and floor creates a warm and clean atmosphere, while the white ceiling adds a sense of spaciousness. The wood tone accents on the cabinets bring a natural touch that balances well with the LED lights, enhancing the lighting in the work area. The L-shaped cabinets are designed to maximize corner space. This layout creates an efficient work area. The pull-out drawers in the cabinets make it more practical and organized for storing kitchen tools. The refrigerator is placed near the sink for easy food preparation and cleaning, while the oven is positioned in the cabinet to keep the kitchen looking neat. The kitchen countertop is covered with black ceramic tiles that are easy to clean, providing a modern visual contrast. The built-in stove was chosen for its sleek design and space-saving features, located on the left side to open up the central space. This kitchen design not only functions as a cooking space but also serves as a place that inspires creativity and warmth. Every element is crafted to create harmony between beauty and comfort, making this kitchen the heart of a modern and stylish home. The next design combines beauty and functionality in one space. The choice of an L-shaped cabinet design offers a smart solution for limited space, creating efficient storage areas. The matte navy blue color on the upper cabinets gives an elegant and calm vibe, while the sleek brass handles provide a luxurious contrast. Hidden LED lights under the cabinets add a cozy atmosphere, making the kitchen a comfortable cooking space. This design is perfect for those who desire a modern, practical, and elegant kitchen. Smart storage and built-in appliances like an induction stove and oven maximize function without compromising aesthetics. With a minimalist touch, this kitchen is not only functional but also inspires comfort and style in a limited space. Simple, elegant, and inspiring kitchen. This design presents a captivating simplicity. The L-shaped cabinets in matte olive green bring a calm modern touch, paired with gold accents for a hint of elegant shine. The light gray marble countertop complements the look with a subtle luxurious feel, while the walnut herringbone patterned floor adds natural warmth. All elements are arranged functionally. The sleek stove and double sink, along with the hidden oven and fridge, make the kitchen efficient. A minimalist floating shelf above the sink adds a decorative touch while offering practical storage. With warm LED lighting hidden in the ceiling, this kitchen creates a cozy atmosphere for everyday activities. A simple yet inspiring space that combines elegant design with maximum comfort. Here, U-shaped cabinets were chosen to maximize the small space, creating efficient storage without sacrificing movement comfort. The glossy navy blue of the cabinets provides a modern and luxurious feel, while the sleek gold handles add an elegant accent. The glossy white quartz countertop perfectly integrates, offering a clean and practical surface for daily cooking activities. Hidden LED lighting under the cabinets creates a warm and bright atmosphere in the work area. Built-in appliances such as the induction stove, compact oven, and mirrored finish fridge add to the seamless look, keeping the space organized and stylish. This design is perfect for those looking for a modern kitchen with maximum functionality. This kitchen design combines beauty and functionality elegantly. The straight-line cabinets in glossy champagne color create a minimalistic, modern, and clean look. The push-to-open system on the cabinets ensures a handle-free appearance, giving a neat and elegant impression. The neutral beige walls and light gray floors reflect light, expanding the space and creating an airy feel. The white quartz countertop with gold veins offers a luxurious contrast, while the induction stove and sink with gold faucets add a modern touch. The white hanging cabinets with hidden LED lighting create a warm atmosphere, making the kitchen feel comfortable to use. This design is ideal for those seeking a kitchen with efficient organization, full of style, yet functional. This design combines modern and luxurious elements in a compact space. With curved modular cabinets in glossy emerald green accented with gold, it presents a dynamic and elegant look. While the glass-topped cabinets add a decorative touch, the black granite countertop with a mirror effect creates a spacious and glamorous impression, blending with the circular sink and elegant gold faucet. Curved hanging shelves with LED lighting highlight the decor, while the glossy white wall units conceal practical built-in appliances. This design is perfect for those looking for a modern kitchen with a touch of luxury. The combination of glossy materials, strategic lighting, and minimalist decoration creates a functional and stylish space. Let's move to the kitchen that embraces natural simplicity with a touch of calming functionality. The choice of cabinets with a matte taupe finish and wooden handles provides an elegant and warm minimalist feel. The light-colored natural wood countertop blends with the earthy color palette, creating a soothing atmosphere. The built-in gas stove with a matte black hood and farmhouse ceramic sink adds a classic yet practical touch. Open wooden shelves display simple utensils and plants, enhancing the natural balance. A large window with sheer white curtains invites natural light in, while rattan pendant lights add a warm touch in the middle of the room. This design is perfect for those who desire a simple, functional, and tranquil kitchen. A warm and calming natural concept. The cabinets with a matte olive green finish and bamboo handles create a soft and earthy look, while the beige natural stone countertop harmonizes with the surrounding atmosphere. The built-in induction stove and ceramic sink with a matte black faucet on the right add a simple modern touch, complemented by a large window that brings in natural light and a view of the green outdoors. Hanging shelves made of recycled wood store potted plants, glass jars, and woven baskets, adding both a natural and functional vibe. On the other side, a tall cabinet with woven doors offers ample additional storage space. Minimalist decor such as a clay vase with wildflowers and a jute woven rug adds softness to the room, while rattan pendant lights create soft and soothing lighting. This design is ideal for those seeking a tranquil, organized kitchen filled with natural elements. This kitchen design evokes a calm ambiance with soft pastel blue and natural ash wood flooring. The L-shaped cabinets with a matte cream finish create a warm contrast, while the light gray quartz countertop blends seamlessly with the surroundings. The modern stove and sink beside the natural wood window provide a fresh and functional feel. Open oak wood shelves display potted plants and jars, while the pantry with slatted wood panels adds extra storage. Rattan pendant lights and minimalist decor, such as a fiddle leaf fig plant, enhance comfort and warmth. This design is perfect for a practical, balanced kitchen filled with calming natural elements. The final design radiates a calm atmosphere with soft lavender gray walls complemented by natural oak wood flooring. The pale taupe cabinets with birch wood handles provide a soft natural contrast, while the light beige stone countertop offers a cool touch. The built-in ceramic stove and round brass faucet sink create a functional modern look, paired with a large window that floods the room with natural light. Hanging beech wood shelves showcase simple decor, while the built-in pantry with wood panels adds texture and practical storage. Frosted glass pendant lights create soft lighting, enhancing the tranquility of the room. This design is perfect for those seeking a kitchen with a calming natural touch, blending pastel colors and wood elements to create a harmonious and refreshing atmosphere. That concludes the kitchen inspiration for today. Thank you for joining us at Home Inspiration. Please like and subscribe for the next design. See you next time.